Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome back to another wonderful and amazing recipe. In today's video, I want to share with you how to protect your business from financial hardship using alligator pepper. If you are doing business and you are facing financial hardship, your business is not doing well, you need to watch this video to the end so that you know how to protect your business from financial hardship. And there are things that I want you to have in mind, that there are certain things that can cause this financial hardship in your business. It can be your colleague, the person that you're doing business with you, is using charm to, take your customers, or they are using charm to, chase your customers away. Okay. And sometimes when you go home after closing for your business, when you go home, you don't really know what is going on in your shop anymore. You don't really know what is going on, who is spraying something, who is burying something in front of your shop. Okay. So that is why you need to watch this video to the end, so that you are going to learn how to protect your business from financial hardship. If you're always having losses in business, if customers are not coming in your shop to buy things that you are selling, if they are always declaring your goods, like anytime you show them something to buy, they will tell you that they don't want to buy it or they don't like it. Okay, there are people that are facing this problem. Anytime they show a client or a customer something that they want to buy, the customer will say that they don't want to buy or they don't like it. Okay. Or some people, the problem they face is customers coming to their shop to ask for different things that they are selling. Like if you are selling tomatoes now, you see somebody that will come into your shop and be asking you for, for sugar. That is the things that are causing problems in business. Okay. Your colleagues can use charm, can use, anything to take away the eyes of your customers from you. Okay, so if you know how to do this recipe with alligator pepper, you are not going to be facing financial hardship. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you how to perform this protection using alligator pepper. This is very, very important for people that are doing business. Okay, you can as well practice this tip if you are into online business. You can do this recipe. It's going to work. Okay, but make sure that you do it properly. Okay, so the number one thing that you should get is your alligator pepper. Okay, you need to make sure that you have your alligator pepper. This is alligator pepper. Okay, if you are buying it for the first time, if you are buying it for the first time, you need to open it from your behind. That's your back. You need to open it from your behind. That's if you are buying it for the first time. Okay, now when you buy it, you open it from your behind, then bring it to your front. Okay, now when you bring it to your front, you are going to pick out 7 seed from it. Okay, it has seed, so you need to pick out 7 seed from the alligator pepper. Just 7 seed from it. Okay, you can see the seed. Okay, you pick out 7 seed from the alligator pepper. Now the next item that you should get is water. Okay, just go and fetch water, a clean water. Okay, you are going to need it, a clean water. You fetch a clean water, keep it inside your shop. Okay, this recipe you should do it inside your shop, not outside. So you keep the water inside your shop. You get your 7 seed of alligator pepper. You start making a prayer. You start speaking a word of affirmation, positive affirmation over your business. You start making a prayer over your business as you're holding that 7 seed of alligator pepper in your right hand. Okay, you start making a prayer over your business. Okay, anything that is causing losses, anything that is making your customers to run away from you, anything that is bringing financial hardship in your business, any power, any negative energy, any negative forces that is bringing you financial problems in that business, that today, as you are carrying out this spiritual recipe, you are protecting your business from those things. Okay, they will no longer have effect in your business. You make a prayer, you say positive affirmation words concerning your business. After making that prayer, you take that 7 seed of alligator pepper, drop it inside the water. Okay, you drop it inside that water. Now the next item that you should get is a salt. You need to get your sea salt. Okay, you get your sea salt. Now when you get your sea salt, you are going to pray with the sea salt. Just take a little from the sea salt, pray as well, and add it inside the water. Okay, after praying with the sea salt, you add it inside the water. Okay, just a little, not much. You add it inside the water. Okay, now after adding the sea salt inside the water, get your white candle. Okay, you get your white candle. Now when you get your white candle, you are going to light it up. Keep it at the center of your shop. Okay, keep it at the center of your shop and light it up. Now hold that water in your hand and walk around that candle, like move around the candle 3 times and be praying, okay, concerning your shop, concerning that hardship that you're experiencing in your shop. Okay, you make a prayer as you're walking around the candle that 3 times. Once it's up to 3 times, you stop walking around that candle. Okay, and now you start sprinkling this water every area of your shop. Okay, every corner of your shop, you start sprinkling the water every corners of your shop. And as you're sprinkling it, be making a prayer, be saying positive affirmation words, be declaring what you want in that shop. Anything that has to do with negativities, anything that has to do with hardship, anything that has to do with losses, anything that has to do with customer declaring what you are selling, like they don't want to buy or they don't like what you are selling. Anything that is responsible of causing all those things, you start, making prayer against it. Okay, as you're sprinkling that water. Okay, after sprinkling the water, after spraying the water every area of your shop, you stop and leave the candle to burn down by itself. Okay, you stop and leave the candle to burn down by itself. Once you have finished doing this recipe, you are going to start seeing changes in that business. Okay, you are going to start seeing changes in that business. You can do this more than 2 times, you can do it 3 times, depending on how your spirit leads you. But once it's okay, if you can do it once, it is going to bring a positive change in your business. You will see a positive change after doing this recipe. Okay, so make sure that you are going to do this to protect your business from financial hardship. Anything that is causing financial hardship, once you do this recipe, you are going to see a positive change, okay, in that business. Anything that is bringing hardship in that business, just do this and you are going to see positive change in that business with alligator pepper. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys in today's video. Okay, this recipe is very simple for those that have been experiencing hardship in their business. This recipe is something that you should take serious. Okay, make sure that you buy the alligator pepper. You can buy alligator pepper from the local markets. You can buy it from spiritual shop where they are selling spiritual items. Okay, you buy it there, open it from your behind, bring out 7 seed, use it the way I directed you in this video, and you are going to see positive changes in your business. Okay, a lot of people, they are not making sales in their shop today because of what their neighbor, their colleague has sprinkled or sprayed in their shop. When customers come there, they will just, tell you that they don't like the goods or the, services that you are rendering. They don't like it. They will go to another person. That is because of what your neighbor or your colleague, the person that you are into business together with, has done. Okay, so if you can be able to do this recipe, you are going to see positive changes. Okay, so that is what I want to share with you guys. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe so that you'll be getting notification anytime I drop a new video. If you have any question that you want to ask regarding this teaching today, please use the comment section so that I will explain it more better for you. And if you want to talk to me directly, please use the number on the screen. That's my WhatsApp number. Chat me up directly and make sure that you go straight to the point when you chat me, okay? So that I'll reply you. Okay, I don't like people chatting me and saying hi and hello. It's just like you are not saying anything. Okay, so make sure that you do this recipe and you are going to see positive changes in your life. Okay, so that's what I want to share with you guys in today's video about using alligator pepper in your business to stop hardship. Okay, because a lot of people are experiencing this problem. A lot of people are crying over this. Okay, so if you can do this properly, if you can do this very well, I promise you that you're not going to regret doing this recipe. Okay, so see you guys in my next video. Bye.